Nongïalam Liang Pyrshah, Dr. Mukul Sangma mentakasni ulapan pau i kajing Sngewbha dukha men siam jong hapo kajing yeng darbar thau an gejala mentakasni nakadau ba Khlem Shah Khot Sngewbha Shah Jingplie Paidbah ya Shillong Engineering College watla gejala mikalia karakhe ya kajing seng ya Engineering College kabaningkong jongka Haba jubab halwar kani Myntri Rangbah konrad ke sangma ulapen Shah ba mauru Khlem Shah Khot Sngewbha Shah kani ka Jingplie Paidbah ulapen teb hapo ka dorbar bagi kelas ke ladap sedang wala Khlem pat penlong setia ya ka program Plie Paidbah na kadau ba ya ka yeng ladap ban Plie Paidbah hashwa ban yo ya ka jing menjur na ka AICTE
that whenever such important, see, engineering college, the first engineering college in the state, and we are not invited. I am a little bit aggrieved, Mr. Speaker, sir.
If it makes the Honorable LO feel any better, even I wasn't invited, sir. So the inauguration of the building was done. We were keen that the classes should start. So the classes have started, sir. So we have not done a formal kind of inauguration of the thing because what is important is the classes should begin.
Myntri katanat puli puthi urakam sangma